everyone, welcome back to the 2020-2021 school year. I am Miss Panzarella and I'm the physics instructor over here at Eastern York High School. So I teach academic physics, AP Physics 1 and AP Physics 2. Now, we're going to have a lot of technology pieces throughout our time together, and one of those pieces that is going to serve as our launch pad is a virtual classroom. So what I'd like to do is kind of walk you through our virtual classroom to see what does it do and where can it take you. All right, so what you're looking at right now is our virtual classroom, also known as our launch pad, because really it's just going to bring us to the different places that we need to go. So right off the bat, in the background, you could see that we have a whiteboard, which is also something you're going to see in the classroom. We have lots and lots of whiteboards. But what you're going to see every single day is a standard procedure where we have the date at the top and we have some activity. And that activity is typically some hands-on activity that is going to bring you to a point where you discover these different pieces of physics or these different pieces that govern, how does the world work around us? How does the universe work? So you are now the scientist, and you are going to go through a whole bunch of activities. You can even see that there are labs already set up in the back so that you are now going to discover what all these different equations, theorems, all these different pieces mean, and then you're going to use all of those. So everything that we're focused on is application, because through application, that's how we build problem-solving skills, critical thinking skills, and that's how we really start to understand the content. So my goal is to help you build skills that are necessary for the 21st century, as well as learn physics along the way. So we'll always have some type of learning goal, and ultimately, we want to just be happy and prosperous throughout this senior year. So how are we going to do that? Well, Canvas is going to be very helpful. So if you look at these books, when you click, what you're going to be able to do is click on a hyperlink and it will bring you to the academic physics Canvas page. So you will just have to click on the books and it'll shoot you over to Canvas. Same thing with AP Physics. If you click on these books, it will be a hyperlink that will bring you to your Canvas as well. That's where all of our information is going to be housed. So our weekly checklist, our learning plans, our discussion board, everything will be found in Canvas, as well as directions for labs, discussions about those labs. So they're going to go hand in hand. Now, if you're watching this video, that means that you are already able to click on the cat and you were able to come here. Now, two other elements that you're going to find in this classroom for right now are our academic elements and our AP elements. So those elements are going to be expectations, codes, and standard operating procedures that we will discuss and formulate as a class. So what vision do we want to have in our academic class, our AP class going into this year? What goals do you have and how can I help you with those goals? So once we discuss them and talk about them, you're going to be able to click on this image, which is of Grayson Highlands State Park. I did go camping over the summertime, so I was able to look at that spectacular view. And then if you're in AP, you'll click on this image with the wild horses in the back. Again, both of these will be hyperlinked to a document that will contain our expectations, codes, and standard operating procedures. So we're really just going to be clicking on different parts that will shoot us out to the different elements that we need. So there we go. That is kind of our launch pad. You will have many more videos as we start to look at, hey, what's in Canvas? What do I need to know from this syllabus? What should I really be paying attention to? But ultimately, all of those pieces are bringing us together to have a fun, exciting, and prosperous senior year. So I can't wait to get to know all of you. I can't wait to work with all of you. And I can't wait for all of us to become scientists together as we learn physics. Talk to all of you very soon.